Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Gallery Vault, so unlock it now with your existing PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Once done, make sure the app is up to date and that backups are enabled so you can recover if something goes wrong. Now tap the three-dot menu or settings icon on the main screen to access account controls. This step is essential because the password change options live inside settings. Open that menu and prepare to navigate to security or privacy controls immediately. Once in settings, go to security or privacy to find change password or change PIN. You'll be asked to enter your current credential first. That prevents unauthorized changes. After validating, input your new PIN, pattern, or password and then re-enter it to confirm. Make sure to follow any complexity rules the app shows, numbers, length, or mixed characters, because those enforce stronger protection. If offered, enable biometric unlock as a convenience after the change, but rely on your after confirming the new credential, tap Save or Apply, and then immediately test unlocking the vault to verify the change took effect. Make sure backups or an exportable recovery code are turned on now so you can regain access if you forget the password. If the new password doesn't work, don't panic. Try the recovery option in settings, check any linked account email, or use the app's reset flow. As a last resort, reinstalling may be necessary, but only after ensuring you have recovery data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.